Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nababalik ako sa panibagong video. Sana maglalaro ng Shift at Midnight. Well, this game is a demo pa rin. And nalaro ko na siya guys, diba? If napanood nyo yung previous last year na gameplay ko nito. And lalaroin ko siya ulit. I think may bago eh. Kasi ito, still demo pa rin siya. And yung official release niya is may bago, like pwedeng multiplayer. Well, susubukan ko if may bago rin dito sa demo. And bibili natin next time yung full release na game niya. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Lalaroin ko na siya. So it's the time to play this game. Oh, so pati yung demo. Okay, yung demo rin binago, like may mga inad sila. May inad din sila sa demo, may dinagdag sila sa demo. Objective, head inside. I'm gonna put my head inside. Ba't tabing yung cam ko? Head to the breaker room. O bakit may mga barya? Shift at midnight. Objectives, okay, ito yung break room. Read the instruction on the notice board. Employee to do, use trash bags to throw out the limbs. In the storage, mop the blood, restock the incomplete shelf with boxes. Okay, ito yung mga task natin. Ito na sa gilid. Use trash bags, okay. Mop the blood. The midnight news, doppelgangers continue to ravage America throughout at the night. Doppelganger sightings increase. Experts advise checking ID and personal details. Okay, ito nga yun. Kagaya sa demo, yung una ko nilaro. Mandatory, okay, yan yung quota natin, I think. Quick up complimentary horror game flashlight. And dito sa dulo may magpapakita. So hindi natin muna need tignan yun. Okay. What? Use trash bags. Okay, may kinarni na agad. May kinarni na agad pala dito. Well, sa unang game ko ba nito, kinarni na agad ba yun? What? Okay. Balik. Paano nga i-throw to? Okay, G to drop. Alam ko may tao dito eh. Oh, wala. Alam ko kasi may tao dyan na naka-ano. Okay. Pick up the limbs. Oh, baka nandito. Wala. Dialogue history. Okay. Throw. So, dito yun eh. Sa dulo, dito sa banda. Sa dulo magpapakita. Pero wala eh. Wala ba yung mic sa bunganga ako? Yan, dapat malapit. Tapos, okay. Lalagyan natin ng laman yung shelves. Restock. Ito ice cream. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Jamil ang putik. Basta hindi ko alam. Dito. Yan sa taas. Ano mga produkto to? Box empty. All goods. May isa pa. Yan, may isa pa. You can use the coins to ano eh. Like pan-distract. Like pambili ng bote ng soda. O, saan to? Dito. Read the instruction to the check counter. Okay, wait lang po. Oh. Counter. Customer interrogation protocol. There is no time limit to customer interrogation. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Question them about these details. The computer database always holds. Verified into trust it. If you spot any inconsistent, locate the gun underneath the counter. Okay, may baril tayo sa ilalim. What? Okay, ito yung si Clyde. Okay, si Clyde. Well, now, you must be the new night clerk. Welcome to the graveyard shift, my friend. It's probably a little daunting, huh? No worries, let me give you a rundown on how it's done. First, scan my ID on the computer. Scan your freaking ID on the computer. Check the computer. Review. Midnight Mart. So lang. Oh, 5-star tayo. So, sheriff. Often in a uniform. Often wear glasses. Okay. Tao siya. And ding. Ito pala. Complete the parts. The tutorial first. Scan successfully. Tapos tatanungin ko ba siya? My occupation, sheriff of the West, down in the West. Oh, okay. Uniform. Just washed him last night. Good luck finding me out of uniform. Got him, don't I? Glasses? Yeah, she wear glasses. What? Complete other parts of the tutorial. Bag item, interact with him, the appearance. Okay, bakit kakalbo? My head, I lost it. Again, boy. How? Okay. Gun unlock. So, ito yung baril natin. Pwede ba natin tago? Okay, drop. Okay, ito na. Nagsimula na yung game. Tapos na agad yung tutorial. Wait lang. Okay, ano ba yung... Oh, ito. Hindi, ito muna. Wait lang, may bumibili. Wait lang po. Oh. Hey there. Long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things and head home. Head home? Wait lang. Bonnie McCree. Nurse Baldo kay Kalbo. That's me, alright. Taken a couple years ago, but I don't change much. Yeah, ganun pa rin naman kulay mo. Often wear glasses. Oh, my reading glasses. I took them off before heading in here. Bakit ko ba siya pagkatiwalaan? Great service from the staff. No complaints. Well, thank you. Today, 1993. I don't have any to say about this. Wait lang, may mali ba sa birthday niya? 1993. Wala. Goods naman lahat. Hindi siya ba? No, hell no. Okay, clothes, limbs, movements, head. Yeah, I keep it shave easier that way. No time to fuss with hair when you're running around the hospital. Hindi mo nagpapakalbo yung mga nurse Hindi mo nagpapakalbo yung mga diba? Diba baby, di nagpapakalbo mga nurse? Wala. Delivery arrived? What? Wala naman in order na parcel. So ito yung buhay natin. Oops. What the heck? Okay. Answer the phone. Objective. Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again. Can you come out and help me? Hell na. Wala akong ewan ko sa'yo. Baby, galit ikaw. Halata. Wala akong tiwala dito sa nagpapatulong na to eh. Mamaya saksakin din ako eh. gun? No, nandun pa nga eh. What? What the hell was that? Ang bilis ang putik. Okay, bumili siya. Charlie Kirk. Hey man, just grabbing some stuff real quick. No big deal. What? Di ma-ID to ah. Kahit barangay, di yan tatanggapin eh. Okay, anong name niya? Nathan Call Away. Nathan Call Away. Nathan Deceased? Patay na si Nathan, tol. Bro, patay na si Nathan eh. So, lilinisin natin yun. Patay na si Nathan. Hindi na pwede mabuhay si Nathan. Deceased na nga eh. Sakti, dinaanan lang oh. Okay, dyan natin lapag yan. Hey there, cutie. La la la. Oh? Julieta Granger. A plumber. Alive. 1969. Often dirty from work. Ponytail. Naka-ponytail ka ba, te? Yeah, pero bakit siya parang naka-flight attendant na damit? Naka-flight attendant siya na damit? A plumber? Yeah, I've been a flight attendant for 3 years. It's a steady job, keeps me busy. Di, sabi kasi plumber ka eh. Di kita mag-gets. Baka masama. Your creature will pay for this. Nah, hell na. Di kita papatakasin. Cutie-cutie ka pa nalalaman ha. Uy! Okay, kailangan malinis yung store natin. Yari tayo sa boss natin, syempre. What? Good evening. Just grabbing a few things before heading back on the road. Wait lang, tol. Wait lang. Kevin Larson? At parang name ng basketballista to. Kevin Larson, alive. 1957, 1993. Often in a former tall insurance. Matangkad ba siya? Yeah, matangkad siya. Head? No issues up there. Everything's fine. I guess okay naman siya. So, need ko linisin yung mga katawan. Alam ko may tao talaga dito eh. Saan ba yun? So, wala. May pumasok ba? Putak, te, gulat ako. Ah, may pumasok nga. Wait lang po. Oh, SWAT. Make it quick. I've got net business to deal. Okay, to deal with. Net? N-E-T? Wait lang. Okay, di ko pwede iwan to. Kailangan dalhin sa dumpster. Yan yung halimaw oh. Babalikan ko nga to. Praise the entity. Okay, ano sa'yo tol? Ryan Holt? Non-Human Education. NET Task Force. For the reason those two programs haven't ripped you apart yet, you should be grateful. Na bro, kaya ko protektahan sarili ko. Kasi may baril ako eh. Pwede ko ba siya barilin? Your shift is done. Clean up and the mess. Okay, go to the bus. Wait lang. Hindi pa po ako tapos eh. Shelves. Okay, taas ulit. Dito. Ay, hindi. Sa taas. Oh. Ano pa ba? Ito? Okay na? Wait lang, may mga box pa eh. Products. Oh. Ang bilis. What? Tubig. Dito sa pa sa isa. Toyo. Oyster sauce. Okay, I think goods na. Ketchup. Okay. Head to the bus. Night 1? Night 1 ba yun? End of night report. Okay, lumagpas. No humans killed. Surpass, mandatory. Human. O, doppelganger. Sabi ko na doppelganger din si Julieta Granger eh. Galing ko talaga. Notice board, the midnight news. Joe's Diner burned down. Local are shaken. The once beloved Joe's Diner has been burned down in what appears to be an act of arson yesterday night. Complimentary horror game flashlight pa naman ako. Okay, may tumalsik na dugo. Ano yan? Ba't may ganyan? Hey, do you know where I can get leave-in conditioner in the purple bottle this late? My wife Bonnie uses it every morning and asked me to grab some, but I forgot. Di ko alam sa'yo, tol. Hindi kita matutulungan dyan. Tindero lang ako dito. Richard McCree. Shop. Small plant. Di ko alam ibig mo sabihin. Taxation office. Hey, don't get mad at me. I don't write the tax policies. I just enforce them. Oh. Sumalungkot siya. Kailangan niya ng halaman. Di ko alam kung ano yung kailangan mo, tol. Pero ikaw na bahala dyan. 1, 2, 3, go. Kanya-kanya na. Ay, tama ba? 3, 2, 1 ba yun? So, need ko mag-map. Wait lang. At parang spaghetti yung... I mean, pasta yung map natin. Hello, I'm Jade. Hindi ko naman tinanong eh. Pakialam ko sa'yo. Di sa pagiging racist ha, pero ba't... What? Maputi ka dito ah. Skin color. No. Limbs. I own arms and legs. Unemployed. Wala ka pang trabaho. 1976. Okay, may nagre-review sa store natin. Recommended 5 decor. I guess need ko ng decoration. Okay. Medkit, clock. Ano ba pera ko? Explosive. Database. Okay, hindi siya si... Ba't iba yung kulay niya? Jade Sinclair. Hindi ako naniniwala ikaw si Jade. Hi, I'm Jade. No, hell no. Ang itim mo eh. Open the door. Okay. Ito yung map ko. Gulat ako. Sabi ko na, doppelganger siya eh. O, yan. Sado natin to. Ano yun o? Binigay? Ay, yung tucking decoration yan. Okay, dito natin lagay. Uy, si Payne. What? Hi. Sorry if I'm a bit out of it. Been staring at a monitor since before noon. Hindi ko tinanong. Okay. Elena Park. Ganda ng pirma niya oh. Pangalan. Computer engineer. Oh. Kaya pala nakatutok siya magdamag sa heavy facial. Okay. Gets. Tao siya. Need ko ulit kumuha ng answer the phone. Wait lang, boss. Wait lang. Hey bud, it's the boss. How you doing? Good, good. Well, I just... Pucha, paano kayo papatayin? Babariling ko ba yan? Now get to work? Ay, punyemas naman, oo. Time remaining. Oh. What? Oh, kailangan ko ba sila i-bag? Kailangan ko ba ito i-brag? What? Paano? What if i-mouse trap ko? What? Dispose. Paano ko sila papatayin? Hindi ko naman di mabaril. Objective failed. Antadong yan. Saan baril ko? Saan baril? Asin baril ko? Ano ka naman? I-dispose to mga to. Uy. Paano? Paano ko ito itatapon? Dito ba? Sakti, ang layo naman ng trash ng ano ko, tas 1 minute lang. Wait lang po. Hey, tired from a long shift at the local diner, probably. Asin pa rin. Okay, need ko. Lumalabas ba yung mga daga? Okay, I guess lumalabas yung mga daga. Okay, ubos na? Hindi, meron pa. Ano ba? Isa. Oh, inventory full. Wala na ba? Patay. Ubos. Nyemas na yan. Sir, wait lang. Brandon Keller, Joe's waiter ends most sentence probably. Wait lang, bakit Joe yung that's me, probably. Took me when I got hired. But iba yung pangalan mo. Clothes? Still in my uniform? Yeah. Just clock out at Joe's couple hours ago. Ah! Yung ba yung pangalan ng store nila? Pagkakatiwalaan ba kita, waiter? I wait tables at Joe's Diner. Just clock out a couple hours ago, probably. Okay. You got me. Okay, need ko maglinis. Putakte. Ang daming lilinisin. Oy. Oh. Confirm poster. Yes, that's me. Ay. Okay, may customer na. Wait lang po. At ang dami ko pang lalagyan na shelves. Pambira. Hello dear, I'm just picking up a few things for my husband, Harold. For your husband, Harold? Sino yung husband mo? Si Harold? Wait. Is that true? Okay, Judith Calhoun. Judith Calhoun, English teacher. Always spends exactly 13. Lonely? Widow? Widow? No, Harold's at home. Just watching TV probably. Na, hindi mo mauto. Hindi mo mauto. Papatakbuhin kita. Sige, takbo. Okay, need ko maglinis. Hoy! Takti, gulat ako. So, wala nagpapagas sa atin, no? Okay, nadidiri sila kasi puro daw dugo yung store. Wait lang. Lilinisin ko pa nga eh. Uy, may bago ah. Dami kasing daga. Gulat ako. Just grabbing some supplies for my 13th birthday. Big one, you know. For my 13th birthday. Birthday mo? Cara Hastings. Wait lang. Ano yung may description sa ilalim? New shop tab on the computer. Use your earnings to buy supplies. Okay. Unemployed. Identical tattoos on both arms. 1970. Birthday? September 27, 1964. Wait, what? No, yeah, definitely 1964. Ayos dito. Okay, wala namang tiwala sa mga tao. I mean, sa mga customer. Do you like your life? Yeah, life. I love my life. Fill a bag with money if you want to live to see your family again. Kung gusto pa makita girlfriend ko, gusto mo magbarilan tayo? Totoo ba yan? Ito, 1, 2, 3. Shit man, it was a fake gun. Anong fake gun? Sira ulo ka pala eh. Ikaw may gusto nun, tol. You let 2 doppelgangers complete instruction. What? Alert entities will arrive in... Oh, may gulay. What the heck was that? Emergency weapon to start send. Putak the pistol. Okay, we got 1 minute. May 1 minute lang tayo. May napalabas ako doppelganger. May pinalabas ako doppelganger sa labo. Enough na yun. May bear trap pa ba? Isa lang yung bear trap ko, diba? Yeah, I guess isa lang yung bear trap ko. Dito lang tayo sa loob. May mic indicator kasi. Lay traps, barricade doors, and get a weapon from the storage. Dalawa yung baril ko. Ah, nandun pala siya. Hindi ko pwede. Punyemas. Hindi ko pwede mag-ingay, hindi ko pwede magsalita. Di ba may kita? Uy! Sarado mo! Bobo ko, wala akong tutok. Nagdudugo siya? Okay, lumabas na. Ano yun? They're now gone. You're now safe. Okay, maglilinis ako ulit. Your ship is done. Clean up. Wait lang. Maglalagay ako ng shelves. Oh, dun pala to. Hindi, dito pala. Mababa na ata ratings natin eh. Ay, di ko naman open yung computer. Ay, dito pala. Ilan pa ba yung box na nandito? Isa na lang pala. Ay, hindi, dalawa pa. Ang PWD. Tubig. Ano pa ba? Ito pa pala. So, itong kabila. Ay, mali. Maglilinis pa ako. Okay, bukas ako maglilinis. Bukas na lang maglilinis. Pinasok sa loob. Okay. Good news. Some contractors came and finally fixed the gas pump along with your current duties. Now you also need to help drivers by pumping gas into their cars. Naturally, you must also detect if they're panibagong trabaho. Read the note by the pump. Okay, gets. Pati ba ito trabaho ko? Dat may janitor kami. Dat nag-hire si boss ng janitor eh. Hindi ako lang mag-isa. Ang dami. I mean, kasama rin siguro to sa sahod ko. Ang dami pang limbs. I mean, yeah, mga karne. Now check the note beside the gas pump. Okay, wait. Okay, lalabas. Na. For self-defense lang naman. Spotting doppelganger drivers, ask them how you can help. Use this flashlight to search their car for suspicious items. Look up their license plate on the device to your right. Question them on these topics. If their story doesn't line up, you were permitted to open fire. Okay, pwede natin sila barilin. Reminder, you're not a cop. Ignore normal crimes, only act doppelgangers. Okay. Kahit... Uy! Putak te! Inspect. Midnight news, doppelgangers continue. Okay. May dyaryo siya. Pile of guns. NPA ka ba? New topic unlock. You can now ask the drivers. Okay. Wala bang passenger? Okay naman yung gas mo. I mean yung car mo tol. Magpapump tayo ng... Ay di, ask muna natin siya. How may I help you? Piles of guns. Don't act like that's surprising anymore. I need to protect myself. Sabagay, I know damn well you've got a stash of guns somewhere in the store. Alam niya na may baril ako. So, barilan tayo. Enter car's license plate. Okay, wait. 04 LJT. 04 LJ. Blue station wagon, dirt marks on lower exterior, details updated weekly. Okay. Goods. Clothes. What's going on with my clothes? Do you take pleasure in asking stupid question? Okay, my bad. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay? Wait lang. Saan ko to? Saan ko to ipapump, sir? Sa inyo ba? Staff further pump gas. Stand further back to pump gas. Ha? Oh, if the driver checks out human, tell them to leave. You may leave. Wait lang, wala ka bang ibabayad? Took you long enough. Okay, bye-bye. Oy, siya na naman. Do you like your Ikaw na naman. Ba't nasa akin to? Okay, yung baril ko. Asan yung baril ko? Wait lang, sir. Yung baril. Wait lang, may asikasuhin na akong daga. Game. Tigas ang putik. Balik natin tong baril. Hindi, sige lang. Need ko maglinis ha. Inventory is full. Ang daming karne. Ang daming nakakalit na karne. Okay. Yeah man, just picking up something from my sister, Catherine. Tommy Delgado, Tommy. Unemployed. Catherine? Tama ba? Catherine? Wait lang, clothes. Huliin ka ng tol, yeah. I know, it's just really hot. Let me grab something for Catherine quickly. Catherine, okay. Catherine. Ah, patay na yung kapatid mo ah. Wala ka ng kapatid. Namumutla ka pa. Ayun na, di ka na namumutla. So, what? Okay, I think siya yung real. Saan nagagaling yung mga taragis na daga na yun? May isa pa. Yun. Pool. Gotta be careful man, they're everywhere. Ever feel like someone's watching you? Cause they are. Tommy Delgado, I think siya yung totoo. Wala siya binanggit na pangalan or what. Yeah, siya yung tunay. Ikaw ang tunay. Sa map ko. Wait lang, kung the store generator. Ilang, pwede ko makunin. Yung makadaan ako. Dahil tayo daan sa kabila. What? Naka-costume ka, tol? Oo, naka-costume nga siya. Isarado natin yan. What? What the heck? Uy! Kapasok! Uy! Oh, sorry. Wait, asan yung flashlight ko? Acting yan. Naka-GIF yung ano mo, tol, ah. Upuan mo, ah. Ay, sumasayaw. Naka-GIF yung ano ang putik upuan, eh. Uy. Asan na ba yung map ko? Buenas noches, amigo. Don't mind me. This feet won't stop moving today. I'm moving, baby pala. Esteban Morales. Retired construction worker. Very short. Ay, hindi yan. I think hindi siya. Bye-bye. I think hindi siya anomaly. Ito yung map ko. Wala yung map. Ito yung map ko. Sa labas? Oh, ito pala. Inventory is full. I am back. How's the new job working out, yeah? Well, you're still alive, so you're doing better than most. I'm proud of you, kid. Not many are willing to take a job this dangerous. Your job is dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect I do. As well, you've got my respect, if that means anything to ya. Yeah, thank you. Ba't ka paano may tiwala ako sa'yo? Ano ba siya? Hey, who are you? What the heck? Uy, bawal mamili. You provoke them? What? Uy, hindi. Okay, need ko yung kahoy. Need ko to. Hindi, dito muna. Sunod to. Yung kahoy ulit. Asa yung kahoy? Huwag na to isa. Need isara ito lang dapat. Oh, okay, sige. Sara ko na to. Minsan na lang pala. Flashlight. May isa pa akong bear trap, ah. Ba't nawala? Ang kalatan ng store ko. Left control to crouch. Okay. What? Oh, wait lang, tol. Wait lang. I-prepare ko lang tong mga to. Meron din dito, di ba? Oh, yeah, meron din. Game. Ba't ko yung narangan? Paano ka makakalabas? Sinipa ang putik, tinadyakan eh. Hayaan ko lang ba siya bumili? Sir, wala na kaming produkto, sir. Kulang-kulang na yan. Ang alam ko, ibibigay niyang ID yung kay Clyde. Ito, yung sa kanya. Ayun yung ibibigay niya eh. Hello. Where's your gasoline? Nasa labas, tol. Gusto mo, pump kita? Oh, hindi niya gusto. Ano yung kay Clyde? Pero syempre. Complimentary horror game flashlight ko. Okay. May kahoy pa ba ako? Mousetrap. Arsenal, pistol lang. Oh, ito pa pala. Dito siya dadaan eh. Okay, may mouse trap na rin dito. Okay, papasok ako sa loob. May mga gumagapang na rin, may mga bago na rin halimaw eh. Pumalsik? Okay, hindi na ako lalabas. Parang siya si Spider-Man. May galamay eh. Naka-on talaga itong flash. Alam ko, need ko talaga siya barilin. Kasi walang mangyayari if hindi ko siya... Kasi need ko lang talaga magtago, isara tapos barilin siya. Tago, barel. Ganun lang, kagaya ng ginawa ko kanina. Sadyang naabot niya lang ako kanina eh. Sarado yun. Ganun lang. Alam ko na nanapot yan eh. Oh, muntik na ako dun ah. Hindi, bawal ma-off yung... Ayun, gusto mo dalawa? Nandun siya sa dulo. Kaya nga, may mga anak to eh, may bago eh. Like, updated. Yes, maabot niya ako pag nakabukas lang, kagaya kanina. Habol ba ako? Pahabol ba ako para may thrill daw? Ayoko uulit eh. Okay, nawala na. Hindi na yung bus ko. Ayoko na, kayo na magtinda dyan. End of night report. No human skill. Driver. Doppelganger si Tommy. Driver. Ah, doppelganger din pala yung driver kanina. Her car did not have an engine. O sabi na eh. Okay, human yung isa, tas yung isa hindi human. Okay, finish demo. So tapos na, hanggang doon lang yung game.